Hello and welcome, this is Roy. This time I'm showing you a brief clip taken from a 71 minutes video that covers a lot of markets and can prepare you very well for the coming week. And there are plenty of opportunities. Some of them can be taken advantage of immediately starting Monday. And the wave counts that I am presenting in the long video can really help you also to plan not just for the coming week but for much longer than that. If you like further information about my service, please stay on after the clip ends. I'll be talking to you again. Other than that, I wish you have pleasant viewing and good trading. Bye now. Hello and welcome, this is Roy. In this video I have many charts and here's the order in which I will look at them. I've got the dollar index, the euro US dollar, the US dollar Czech koruna, US dollar Polish zloty, US dollar Swiss franc, Australian dollar US dollar, the euro Japanese yen, US dollar Japanese yen, British pound Japanese yen, gold, silver, spot gold priced in sterling, and then Canadian Energy Index, the light crude, heating oil, the Euro bond, USD bond, the VIX, the Dow, the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, the EU Stocks 50, the DAX, CAC 40 of France, the FTSE of the UK, Italy's MIB, IBEX 35 for Spain, the STI of Singapore. I'll have a look at the Aberdeen Asian Smaller Companies Fund, and I'll terminate the video with a look at Ibovespa of Brazil. Australian dollar, US dollar. That is the daily scale A, B, C, D. We assume that the E could have ended here. Again, we are not terribly sure. We cannot be terribly sure. It's not prudent to be terribly sure when you are dealing with basically a trading range that can go on and on and on. You know, why jump and say it's got to have found an end here? Really? Really? How come? Well, you know, it's just your fancy. No, I don't think you can go about this kind of analysis in this way. But we have a tool, we have certain principle that we're working with, and we are applying it. When it conforms with all the technicalities of the principle, and it appears to be in proportion, it appears to be making sense, we just, if you like, put our assumption, and we can't do much more than that. And then we follow and see how it develops. Right now we are taking the fourth wave here, ending here. We had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. We assumed it's coming up. Indeed, it came up, and it is possible that we have just seen the first leg of the third. Okay, for that let's go to the 60 minutes. We'll have a look at the line chart here. Right here. So we assume that the E ended here. We run up in the first leg, that's 1, ABC, that's 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that gives us 1. If I'm right, look what should happen. Further meandering, jumping up and down here between 105 to 104.50 or so, yes, and then a surge through 105 to take us into a 1, 2, 1, 2, up we go in a third wave. This is the Aberdeen Asian Smaller Companies Fund. I have mentioned that on several occasions. I'm coming back to this chart to hopefully to convey the message that we are dealing with a bullish situation here, certainly in Asia, and I'm really convinced also in the case of Europe. The US, it's taking a bit of time, but all in all, we are dealing with a bullish situation for the stock market, and things are looking up. And this is a chart of this fund going back to 1996, showing you that in Asia, the 2008 crash was a mini affair. Look what happened. Total explosion. We were at around 200. Now we are coming to touch 900. It looks laughable. In the case of the smaller Asian smaller companies, this was just a blip. A big blip, supported by the rising support line here very well. But that blip generated a tsunami of bullishness here. Absolutely amazing. I have mentioned here that this chart is a vivid example of the stunning rise of Asia. Think about it. This is truly an historic event. Some people tie it to a 500-year cycle, with the pendulum swinging now back to the Asian side for the long term. Does look like that. And what is also, in my opinion, gripping for the short term is that this is a screaming bullish case here of a third wave in the this certainly doesn't look like a top to me. No way in the world. If anything, that looks like a 1-2, and it's possible it's even more bullish than that we have another 1-2 somewhere here. But let's just stay conservative with this being 1-2. I think that's looking up. Looking up, many more legs are coming. Here are taking this as a 1-2. You can see what it's doing. Here presenting you with some of the features of my website, and I do have a page on Twitter. You're welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but it's a way of keeping in touch. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. I have written a few articles. You may like to take a look at them. I have here a testimonial from an active trader who's using my website right here on the front page. There are a few tabs here on the side that if you like, I threw in some of their philosophy and the motives behind setting up this website. I have here a section what subscribers say, speaks for itself. I have an affiliate program. You don't have to be subscribed to join. If you're interested to get in touch with me, links to sample clips that takes you to past clips. I often try to update it every weekend. Gives you a sample of things that I've done in the past and in the recent past as well. And R.N. Elliott, that gives you access to a book, very, very interesting book if you are about practice and about getting things going deeper into learning about the Elliott waves principle. Go there and you will see a link to how to download a full-length book that I really recommend you read. Private policy terms of use, very standard. Why join? I spell out some of the arguments that I think can clarify how I can help, who I can help, etc. Subscribe here. I'll just go through this quickly. I basically have 3 options that you can choose from. The full product that is very intensive, directed at people who are using and following the markets every day, costs €79 only for a month. I record every day, also on the weekend. My videos are very detailed, they're very helpful, really following all the markets, the major markets, and I can even follow markets that are of interest to you. If I have time, I will add them. I can't promise I'll do that on a daily basis, but I will definitely take a look if there is a specific market or situation that is of interest to you. Other than that, there is the option of the weekend video. Weekend video costs from 25. You can see it's available. The weekend videos are available from 25 per month. If you pay up front, it costs 25. I mean, pay up front for 6 months or so, it will cost you only 25. If you pay per month, it's 29. And that is really covering only the weekend videos. Yeah, it is aimed at people who do not have time to watch intensively the market during the week, but nevertheless would like to have a comprehensive view of what happened and what is likely to happen. And I do cover the markets. I do a comprehensive video every weekend that gives a very good preparation for the coming week. And apart from that, of course, I've got the trial. Yes, as advertised on the front page. We'll see it again in a minute. You can just try out the service for $9.99. That gives you access to the daily videos, but just for 1 week. Okay, so you get access. You see 7 videos. You can check the archive. I normally leave about 1 month worth of videos on the archive, so you can check out the kind of things that I did in the past. You can pay for the service with PayPal. It's pretty straightforward. You go on the create account. I'll show you in a sec. If you have an account with PayPal, that should be no problem. I had an account with AlertPay. I still have it. If you happen to have an account with AlertPay, they actually changed their name, and I didn't have time to reflect it here. I think it's called Payza now. You can go ahead and try to pay with that. If that causes you any problem, if you have a problem, maybe the plugin needs modification, just get in touch with me. Other than that, I also have Money Bookers. If you have an account with Money Bookers, I would welcome you paying through Money Bookers. That should also not be a problem. If you don't have an account, it's also a good option. It gives access to a lot of, to people from a lot of countries. Also, Payza, AlertPay used to be AlertPay, yes. Payza now extended its coverage. It is accessing many, many countries. So that's something for you to consider. Let's go back to the home page. And I'll just continue to run down through here. We've got Contact Us, speaks for itself. Tell a friend. Why don't you give me a helping hand? If you like my service, if you like the videos, the clips, why don't you spread the word? Give me a hand. Downloads. That's where you can download charts that I put in the public area, and you can download as many as you want. That will give you an idea how detailed my work is, and what sort of, which way we are going with my chart. Recommended reading list, highly recommended. Really take a look. There are some links there to books that you can download, and I think you will find quite good stuff here. Frequently asked questions. Make sure you read this before you you subscribe, because that will explain to you how to find the videos once you create an account, how to log in, etc. And then useful links, speaks for itself. Blank page, inconsequential, and that's where you open the account. You see, you just right here, create an account. In fact, that's the login. Once you get your login details, here you come up with, it comes up with the sign up. You've got your Elliott Wave Practitioner. That's the weekend edition. You can have 6 months. Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition, that's a yearly subscription. And then Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition paid monthly. Okay, you make your choice. The prices are indicated here. Then Elliott Wave Practitioner, that's per month. Yes, every month. And that is the trial. You are allowed to take it once. It is not something you're going to take, on and off all the time. You just take it once. You sample, you see, try it out. You like it, don't like it, whatever. PayPal, Money Bookers, AlertPay. Choose which one suits you, and the rest is pretty straightforward. You go through that. You wait for you wait for the email from my system. You make sure you follow the instructions. I jump back to the page here to subscribe here, because there are a few email addresses that you are advised to look. This, for example, go through that. You need to whitelist that. Yes, you don't want to wait for my email from the system and it gets stuck in your junk mail, or it disappears, or because you didn't whitelist these addresses, you won't find it, and then you start with the left foot. So you whitelist these two addresses, you'll be on the right track. You get the email for my system. You verify your email address like this. You are sure you join my list, and that's how I keep in touch with you. Whenever I record a new video, I send you the link and I tell you I've just posted it, etc. Look, if you have any question on your mind, whatever, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help. I'm pretty sure my service can help you immensely to make a lot of progress, no matter which level you are. I've been doing it for many, many years, and I've seen a lot of things. I have also experienced a lot of things in my own trading, and that's all. So I hope you enjoy the experience, and look forward to hear from you. Bye now.